Hello, and welcome to the final edition of our Enhancements Roundup. My name is Sayir Ashai, and I'm an Associate Director of Product Management for Eze PMA. We all know fund valuation is a complex function, and for accurate NAV valuations, our client's operations team must ensure that their non trading fee is accrued correctly in the accounting systems. We have seen the industry moving towards charging a fee based on funds' performance instead of the fixed fee, not just for the management and admin fees, but even for other fees like audit or legal fees. We are excited about our investment in meeting the changing market demands through the evolution of the fee accrual module in PMA. A series of our recent PMA enhancements include setting the fee as a percentage of fixed or variable asset value, fee percentage per tiered fund value, and automatic fee accrual postings. Through these, we have eliminated the need for continuous maintenance of fee setup, thus empowering the operations team to focus on their goal of increasing operational alpha. That's all from our Enhancements Roundup video series for now. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out the update tours. And keep an eye out for more video updates from SS&CS.